currently doing its load. We're doing a delicate in our washing machine, so I just wanted to record a video. This is the machine that we have right here. We're doing a delicate. This is our control. This is the inside of the machine. The dryer is also running as well. So me and my mom were just in the basement. I kind of wanted to record a video of our washing machine and dryer, our laundry that we're doing, because I was kind of bored. So that's why I'm recording. Look at this. So you can see here if I do the latch here. This machine uses a lot less water than our older truck drive. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of more soap on one side. So I'll just put this down. Alright. So now look how black this water is. This machine still does get the clothes clean. It's a straight vein agitator. Alright, I feel like it's gonna do its drain. I feel like it's gonna start draining soon. So I'm going to let it do its thing. Keep on opening it. It might break. That's the dryer that's running. Our dryer's currently running. We're doing some cool work. I'm drying my clothes. Actually, hold on. I'll just. Oh! Yep, it drained. So the inside. It locked the lid. Look how dirty the water is. So, the dryer, the body is pretty hot. So, it's doing its thing. Alright, I might put on the table. Since my phone has a stand, on it. So I'll just take this so y'all can see what it does. So if I just open the stand, it isn't doing it correctly. So let's just stay here. Oh, finished draining. Alright, they're just finished draining, so now it's gonna do its rinse cycle. We also have the water faucet. So tight. Also have those. Oh! Now it's gonna do its rinse. Also, by the way, this machine is a Kenmore Series 100. Why is my camera so blurry? Like, what the hell? Well, I swear to God, my camera isn't even focusing. Dude, focus! So it's a Series 100. Right there, Series 100 HE high efficiency Kenmore. Same thing with the matching dryer. Same thing with the matching dryer that we got. Here's the lint. Putting it back in. Should start at any moment. It should go into its spin once it starts. It should go into its spin soon. Just watch. Oh, there we go. Alright, now it's doing its spin. It's doing the spin cycle. This machine actually has very good, it doesn't vibrate that much. It's also kind of quiet because the bearings are kind of worn out inside of the motor. The bearings are kind of worn out, so it doesn't make that. So it's making the little electric battery effect. I'm gonna end the video right here.